Hi all, greetings from the apocalypse. So as you may remember, yesterday we were going over how to make links for a chain and how to get them lined up for fusing and all that kind of good stuff. And now I'm going to give you a lesson in how to fuse them.
Okay, turn that off.
Yeah, the dowel is like the keys to the kingdom right there.
Yeah, if they're not flat, it's almost impossible to heat them evenly.
It's amazing what difference that makes.
Yeah. So,
Missing link as
Julie comes. Hi. Hey, honey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks. Okay, I got a striker with no strike. There we go. Takes a minute for the gas to travel. Just to make me look bad on video. You know how it is.
Come on, you.
There we go. Okay. So we're using a 00 tip because you can see these are very small little links. And I positioned all the seams facing me. If you have all of your seams facing every which way, it's a lot harder to heat them up. And so I always put them kind of in a row with the seams pointing straight towards me. Okay? So I'm gonna put my elbow up in the air. Flame is straight up and down. I'm gonna go around a couple times to build up a little heat. And then I put the flame right in front. And you kind of just tickle it forward like that, a little bit more, and because you just need to see that seam. Boop, you see that seam disappeared. So now I can go on to the next one.
And in silver, it actually, you see it flow and it fills
Yes.
in the seam, like the seam disappears.
Exactly.
Is this the same technique for gold? Same thing.
Basically, yes. The only difference is when you're doing it in gold, the seam won't truly disappear the way it does in fine silver. Okay, so you go around, build up the heat. See that flows a little bit. I want it to flow a little more. Boop, and then it's gone. Okay, so do you mind if I sacrifice one of your links to the greater good?
He's doing it.
Okay, so if you just sit on there to fuse, and you're and like by the time you see it happen, it's too far. That's why when I do it, I go in front and I kind of tickle. Yep, you see what I mean? Like you tickle the seam a little bit, because if you just sit on it like you do when you're soldering, it's just gonna, you're not gonna be able to react quickly enough to pull away. You know what I mean? Once you see it flow. Okay.
Perfect.
So link away if you have issues. Call me in to consult.
All right. So.